I really like the Herbalife long term. Again, it's just tough entry. Would love to figure out a way in it. I still love the Twilio, like the Twilio a lot, longer term. I think it's going back up. I don't think it's going to 400, but it's looking good. I like the Zoom. I talked about it, I think, last week. Moved up a little bit, but not a whole lot. But like the Zoom. There's a few more. Moderna, I think, maybe bottoming. Look at the Moderna for a bounce to 40. So here's the weekly. The weekly looks really good on Moderna. Daily is a little bit late, so I'm waiting for some kind of an entry, either a pullback or a base, but hopefully a pullback. There's a few, LFST basing for a breakout. Not my favorite, but if you look at the monthly, it looks kind of good for a move to 775. So it wouldn't be a huge move on the LFST. Hanya is a pretty pullback on the weekly, but it's such a deep pullback that I don't know if it's going to be able to move back up. I love I had it on the daily watches just yesterday. It was the Upwork. Love the monthly chart, but just haven't been able to figure out a way in it. Look at that monthly on Upwork. So there are always ideas, and there's more. Camper is a climactic buy set up on the monthly. Weekly maybe, yeah, looks higher to me. So there's always ideas, but it's not just about the ideas, but it's also about figuring out a way in, because sometimes they just, like the Herbalife. Roku looks good long term. Like the Herbalife, sometimes they just shoot up and they don't give you a way in. So it's more about finding the right play at the right time. So I always have a lot of ideas in the back of my mind, but the issue is also, do I have the right entry? So that matters too. So right now, I don't have a lot of good entries. I don't have a lot of symbols with a lot of good entries. But FSM is a short-term, buy setup. But yeah, we'll keep watching, keep trying. The MDOG triggered long today, buy setup. So there's a ton of stuff always. Watching the SRPT also, keeping an eye on it. It's not ready, but it's starting to look okay on the weekly chart. But my favorite is definitely my favorite are definitely the first ones that I mentioned: the Herbalife, the Twilio, the Zoom, the Roku, longer term, the Moderna. Those are my favorite.